Hey guys, Zach with Savage Traveling here. I'm in Da Nang, Vietnam. About ready to do the high van pass on the old motorbike here before I turn it in the next day or two. The high van pass, if you don't know, it's just a mountain pass that goes through this impressive mountain range over here, and wasn't really famous or anything until the Top Gear people, like the British TV show, they came over here and did like a special, and they had a whole bunch of problems, and it turned it out to be like a really good popular thing, and now people come over here just to specifically ride this pass and, you know, have a good time doing it, I guess. But today I'm just going to take you along with me. I got the GoPro here. I'm going to get some sweet views of that, and then at the top maybe shoot the drone up if I can. So stay tuned. It's bound to be a pretty cool day, I think. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
If you ever think about motorbike in Vietnam, just do it. Like, you will not regret it. It's not as dangerous as you might think. I mean, it could be. Just keep your head on your shoulders, you should be all right. Should I? Oh, no. Are we going down this thing now? Ooh, that air's chilly. It feels so good. Oh my God. Woo, there we go. Hairpin. Oh, shuckadoozies. Look at that beautiful thing. I think I found out the drone. I think I found it, guys. I think I found it. I think I found it. There's nobody here but me. Oh, yeah.
Hey, this is Zach with Savage Traveling up on the High Van Pass near Da Nang, Vietnam. And been just cruising through, went back and forth a couple times and just checking out the beautiful mountain pass in the beautiful afternoon, guys. I'm gonna take the drone up here in a few minutes and show you guys what's around here. And I hope this all comes together as a good video, because it's gonna be a cut job of me going one way and coming back the other way, I'm sure, but I don't think it's gonna matter. It's all beautiful. So there, you know, there's the trusty steed there. She's still not let me down. But awesome, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.